Well, so I thought I'd do a quick walk around of this thing. Those you guys who haven't seen it in a while. Um, got all this stuff here primed up here inside. Um, it's looking pretty good. This was kind of beat up. I might have to do a little bit of filler work there. I don't know. Yeah, maybe not. I might do a little bit right here or stuff under here just to make it look a little bit better. Maybe a little bit with the spot welds down below. Of course, I'm gonna sand a lot of this stuff. I wasn't looking for perfect here. Just gonna sand this down real quick. Just want to shoot some primer on it. Okay, so the heater channel's all in. You notice this one's a little bit different than the other side. It's got these little divots in it. I'm not sure. They're just universal heater channels, so but they all fit. So door shut good. So we'll take a look around here. So I got this quarter all primed up, ready. Gonna have to, do final blocking and stuff, guide coat, final blocking. You can see here how that turned out pretty, hardly noticeable. Little minor coat of undercoating on there, and it looked like you'd never done anything. And this here is fairly straight. Got to go through and block it out. Hit it with some glazing probably. I didn't go through and really sand it. It's super good. It's kind of wobbly on here, so it's not very fun to sand on here. So, but some of the stuff it's a lot easier to do now than it is to do it when it's on the body. And I could put it down onto sawhorses or something. It'd be easier, more sturdy. But then these things here are in the way. It's just you have to put it on something and then roll it out of here. Then it would be easier. So, so this side's all in here. You can see it looks uniform now that it's got some primer on it. This looks all right. The corners just got to do a little more sanding in there. Got a little sanding to do in that corner over there. Everything seems sealed. Here's how this looks. I could fill that. I may or may not. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. The top piece here, that's all going to get carpeted and covered. This here, you only see this with the door panel off. So the seat out, but it doesn't look too bad just like it is. That side there, and all this grafted metal in here. So that's how that kind of turned out. Of course, you really see, I guess these have these too. Original didn't have that. If I wanted to, I could just fill that in, but it doesn't really matter to me. So that's that for the update there. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I got all the braces out. If you notice there, all the braces are out. I mean, basically, I think I'm gonna shoot the heater channels. I think I'm going to. Well, I painted underneath them, so let's look at that. All this I painted with a gloss black. Just use a regular rust inhibiting oil base because I'm not gonna paint the pan or any of that stuff to match. Some guys paint all this stuff underneath here to match the car. It's kind of hard to spray up. You'd have to have it up a lot higher than this to do that. Really do a good job. Or put in a rotisserie, and I'm not doing all that stuff. So yeah, that's it for the bug here pretty much. I think I've made a circle around the other side again. Doesn't even look like the same car. You just see the original videos of this car, how badly it was rusted, and it's pretty much ready for the wrecking yard. But another one saved. Let's look at this here. Yeah, there's some flaws in there. Still gotta seam seal the corners in there. Got that to do. And the very corners over there, I gotta do that. So yeah, that's about it. I mean, at least it's not rusty. It's firm right here. All this, if you see here, you notice how this isn't red anymore, and it has kind of a sheen to it. That's because this has that Adcoat rust reformer or rust converter, which actually, you know, this is not going to rust again. It just, once you give it a little wire brush and all this too, put that stuff on there, man, it just, you can just watch the rust turn black. It's just really cool when you put that stuff on. So anyway, that's it for the car update here, and about ready to go back on the pan. Need this area to do other stuff, so I'm gonna have to get a bolt kit still, and a couple things like that. Probably won't use all the same bolts. Anyway, but that's how that turned out. Pretty good too. So, you know, put the grommets in there. It's all good. It's all fixed. And I have to take the hood off. I gotta do some work here. There's a hole here, and then I'm gonna turn it into a 4-tab. And I think I'm just gonna smash that guy, just flatten that area, and do the 4-tab holes, and then put the holes over here in this part of the hood for the emblem. And just use this same hood. Everything else I believe is the same, so it's just not a big deal. So anyway, that's the whole car, and so it'll be back on the road pretty soon. Alright, so we'll talk to you guys in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't watched the old videos on this 60 ragtop, make sure you back up and check those out. And stay tuned and keep watching as we get this one done. It's going to look really cool. Talk to you next video.